What is up, besties? Today I am going to be showing you guys how to get profile pictures for YouTube for completely free on Android and iOS. I don't think it works on desktop. I think it works. I don't know really. So you can test if you want to. But this is just how to get free profile pictures. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is type picrew.me, and then you want this to load. Okay, it's just loading, and yeah, so you can see all of these. You can pick any of them, so you just can press the pink button and let it load for a second. As you can see, you can have this one, miraculous if you want, a character maker, just like a bunch of stuff. There's even a Roblox one. So I like the Roblox one, but you don't have to do that one because I'm not going to do that one today. I think I am going to do one of these because you can really do them, and I'm just going to show you customizable things. So yeah, so as you can see, I've made one already, so you can like pick whichever body you want. You can pick eyes. I just picked the closed ones because I like them. You can even do these. And you can pick eyebrows if you want. These are the eyebrows. The nose. Pick whichever nose you want. I personally like this one. You can pick whichever mouth. Obviously you can't see my mouth because I have a mask on. And then you can put a beauty mark or some freckles. And you can put some like stuff on the cheek. I will take off my mask so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So you can, yeah. Let me go back to the mouse. As you can see, these are all of the different mouse that you can do. I really don't care about it because I'm gonna wear a mask with it. As you can see, these are the stuff that you can put on your thing, angry, sad, and all that. You can do customizable hair. This one, I was confused when I first found this. It was really confusing, but this is just the top of your hair. These are the sides, and this is the back. It's really very easy. As you can see, I can change it. It's really easy to change, actually. So, you know, I like this one. Wait, no, where's this one? Yeah, this one. And if you want a hair sticking out, hair, you can do that. This is my favorite shirt, but you can do multiple. I can show you all of the shirts. And you can color these shirts if you want. They're not just black. I'll show you, like this one. You can color it these colors. Right, you can even make it black and white. You know, I like red, and this I just like. There's different jackets and stuff. Even I forgot what are those called again, but there's plenty of jackets like that one. And there's hats and everything like that. So yeah. I personally like the Roblox ones, like I said, because I can actually make my Roblox character. And yeah, again, nothing, earrings, I didn't even realize I had something on my ears. But yeah, you can see all these different ones. You can even put like a flag that you want. So yeah. You can even do peace, or flags, like again, flags. And you can change the background. And you can have like this. Yeah. So yeah. I'm going to do a Roblox one because this one was really quick and I just wanted to show you the one that people usually do. So you can see, you can pick a color. This is my Roblox avatar. If you've seen it, you probably have if you go on my channel. So you can make a boy one, a girl one, you know, all types of stuff. You can also not change these. I thought you can change them. They don't have the super happy face, so I just made it. You can also, it just goes again. So yeah, and you can pick faces and stuff. These are wings, by the way. So then you pick this one, if you want a circle or not. And you can pick a transparent one. So you can just put it on anything and make it, or you can pick any color. I just like this, so I can, you know, do that. And then you want to press this green button right here. You want to press that, and then it's going to do like this little person making your thing. Yeah. And then you would have it right here, as you can see. You just press this, and you just press this and save image, or you can screenshot it, whichever you want. Obviously I have done this, but I'll show you. Save, add to photos, just add it to photos. Then you go to your photos and you have it. As you can see, you have it right here. It's really easy and highly recommend. I will put the link down below. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends so they can have free profile pictures. So yeah.